Hello friends, welcome to Debanjana Bandyopadhyay channel. Before the start of the session, I would request all the viewers, please stay safely at your home as much as possible with your sweet and cute families. Now, let's start the general knowledge and the static facts of Telangana. In the first slide, we can see the formation year of Telangana. It is 2nd June 2014. If we consider the history, then in the beginning, Andhra Pradesh was a large state, and the Telugu speaker of Andhra Pradesh later demanded another separate state for them. For that, a long 10 years of political war occurred, and after that, Telangana got separated from Andhra Pradesh on 2nd June 2014. The present Chief Minister of Telangana is K. Chandrasekhar Rao, and the present Governor is Tamilisai Sundararajan. She is also the first woman Governor of Telangana. Capital of Telangana is Hyderabad. This is also the capital of Andhra Pradesh. Telangana consists of 31 districts. It has 17 Lok Sabha seats and 7 Rajya Sabha seats. The official language of Telangana is Telugu and Urdu, and Hindi and Deccani Urdu are also spoken in the Telangana state. Telangana shares its border with 5 different states. If we see clockwise, it's Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh and Orissa. Now, here is the important rivers of Telangana. The two important and major rivers of Telangana, in fact not only Telangana, the two important major rivers of South India is Godavari and Krishna. And another major river is Musi, in which, beside which river bank, Hyderabad is situated. Godavari is the second longest river of India, and this is also considered as the Dakshin Ganga, means the sacred river of South India. Godavari originates from Maharashtra, then it's passed through Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and ends in Odisha, emptying in Bay of Bengal. And another main river is Krishna. It also starts from Mahabaleshwar, Maharashtra, then it passes through Telangana and ends in Andhra Pradesh. Telangana is situated on the Deccan Plateau of India. Deccan Plateau of India is the largest plateau. It covers 8 different states of India, but mainly Telangana, Maharashtra, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh falls in this plateau. The state animal of Telangana is jinka, a deer, the Indian roller, palapitta, called in Telangana. Next is Tanner's cashew. It is the state flower. State flower is Tanner's cashew and Tangendu in local language, and state tree is Prosopis cineraria or Jammi Chettu in local language. Now, next, the GI tags of Telangana. The GI tag denotes Geographical Indication Tag, which is a special type of certificate that is given to a particular area for the creation of some special, traditional and unique products. So, Telangana has the GI tags of Pochampolli Ikkat, Narayanpet Handloom Sarees and Siddipet Gollabhama Sarees. These are some type of sarees. Next is silver filigree of Karimnagar. It is the product that is made up of silver and above the surface of which beautiful designs are made. Next is Nirmal furniture and painting and Nirmal toys and craft. These are special type of handmade wooden products and above the surface of which beautiful pictures are drawn. Next is Cherial painting, which depicts the various pictures of mythology, and at last it is Pemberthy metal craft, which is also products of metal beautifully designed. The main national parks of Telangana is Kashu Brahmananda Reddy Mahavir Harina Vanasthali and Mrugubhani National Park. The tiger reserves of Telangana are Amrabad Tiger Reserve, Nagarjun Sagar Sri Sailam Tiger Reserve, and the largest tiger reserve of India, that is Kawal Tiger Reserve. Another tiger reserve is Amangarh Tiger Reserve, which is located in Uttar Pradesh. So, don't confuse Amangarh Tiger Reserve with Amrabad Tiger Reserve of Telangana. The important wildlife sanctuaries of Telangana are Kinnarsani Wildlife Sanctuary, Itur Nagaram Wildlife Sanctuary, Kawal Wildlife Sanctuary, Lanja Madugu Sivaram Wildlife Sanctuary, Manjira, its crocodile sanctuary, next Nagarjuna Sagar, Sri Sailam, Pakhal and Pocharam wildlife sanctuaries. Now, these are the important sites of Telangana. In fact, in this slide, you are going to make a short tour to Telangana, but unfortunately, this will be a theoretical one, and for the practical one, you have to wait for the lockdown to be over. So, let's start. At first, the Charminar and the Golconda Fort. Both these constructions were made during the 5th ruler of Qutub Shahi dynasty. You can consider almost at the time when the Mughal ruled in India. Next is Basara temple. It is a Saraswati temple. Next is Hussain Sagar. It is also a World Heritage Site of Telangana. It is a heart-shaped lake at the center of which a large statue of Gautam Buddha is situated. Next is Mecca Masjid. It's a mosque. Next, Kuntala waterfall of Aliabad. It is the highest waterfall of Telangana. Next is Birla Mandir, and at last Balachandaram temple, a Hindu temple. And at last, the famous other facts of Telangana. The two famous personalities, P.V. Sindhu and Saina Nehwal, both are very famous badminton players and they belong to Telangana. The important historical sites of Telangana are Charminar, we already heard about it. Next, Bhongir, it is a fort. Next, Warangal Fort, it's also a fort at the hilltop. Next, a dam of Telangana, that is Nagarjuna Sagar Dam. And at last, the silver filigree. We already came to know about silver filigree as GI tag, and this industry is also an important site of Telangana. With this, the short tour of Telangana is over, and in the next session, I will bring the important current affairs related to Telangana of the last 6 months. Finally, there is a request from my side. If you feel the video is good and helpful, then please like, comment and share my video and subscribe to my channel for next videos.